Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Zenless Zone Zero for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Zenless Zone Zero for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Hoyoverse, since that's the developer of Zenless Zone Zero, and on their website is where we can download the game. So just search for Hoyoverse on your search bar. And after searching, you will now be able to see the official website of Hoyoverse right here, so just go and click it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download Zenless Zone Zero on this website, you just need to scroll down and then you will now be able to see all the games of Hoyoverse, including Zenless Zone Zero, so just go and select the game. And after that, you will then be directed to the downloading page of the game, so just click this download button right here. And after that, your Zenless Zone Zero installer will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to check all their terms and service policy, and then click the quick installation button to proceed. And after that, just click the finish and launch button. And then you will now be directed to the final step, which is the final installation of the game. So just click this Get Game button right here. And then Hoyoverse will show you the total game size and the location where the game's installation files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click this Change button, then set it to the folder where you want to save it. But if you're already fine with the location, just click Install. And after that, the game will now start installing. The installation process might take a lot of time depending on your internet speed since the game's size is kinda big, but just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.